Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Make a
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So if I look a little tired, it's because it is early right now, okay? But I am getting ready to put my hair into braids. So I just washed it. I don't have anything in it but a little bit of leave-in. I'm gonna put it into braids and I'm gonna put my favorite wig on from Hairvivi. So this is the Sky unit. I've had this unit, I believe, 3 times maybe, and I've given it away twice. So yeah, this is the upgraded version. So they put the edges on this wig. And again, it's still supposed to be glueless, fresh out of the box. It has really good layers to it, and it's a light Yaki unit, y'all. It's literally my favorite, okay? I'm also rushing like always because I have a nail appointment at 11:30, and it is 10:37 right now. So it has the fake scalp in there. You can request to have this taken out if you don't want it, but it's really easy to remove. You just literally, it's like this really thin thread. You can see it up close. You just cut it and it like will peel right off if you don't want it. Look at the edges. It's like perfect. It's like the right amount. It's not overly done. The other ones I had to like brush some back and then pull it back out. So I'm about to put my hair into braids and then we'll put it right on.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body.
So after putting my hair in the 2 braids, I went ahead and clipped it up in the back like always. Then I put a wig cap on just to hold it in place because you don't need to do the ball cap method or anything like that for this wig. Then I went ahead and removed the tag, and then I'm going to remove the little pieces on the side that there's literally no hair right there. It just makes it harder when you're trying to cut it. So I just went ahead and removed those, and then remove some of the lace in the front because they put a lot of lace on it, and it just always is on my lashes.
I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. #1 fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body, giving center views. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know.
Look how it's laying. It is not glued down. It is not glued down. I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna just put my flat iron to it and kind of get the roots and stuff a little bit more flat. I like the volume here. And I think I'm good. I'm about to go get my nails done. Oh my God. So this is just a wax stick. I can't find my other one.
But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Flat, okay? And it is not glued down. Like how? I don't know what they've been doing, y'all, but they've been doing it good, okay? But this is how the hairline looks. I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse and just tie it down. Hopefully it doesn't like smush the baby hairs or make them straight or anything like that. Hopefully it stays like this, but I just wanna just make sure. I'm gonna just use the Dew Mousse because it's right here and I know this is sticky.
Love. Miss Independent, I be loving how you winning. I just wanna go catch your vibe. Ayy, wanna see you in the daytime and not when it only get dark outside. Ayy, type of love I can't hide. Ayy, maybe wanna blow your line. Ayy, you dope finna slow your line. Ayy, I never wanna blow your high. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place.
Okay, so while that's set it in place, I'm gonna go in with my air wrap. Y'all, I've really been using the heck out of this thing. Oh shit, just to give it a little bit of more body, like little waves.
Asking what's on my mind, wondering how it tastes. Maybe wanna press rewind, give me that double take. That's on my mind.
So one of you guys told me that when I use the air wrap to cut it off when I pull it down so it doesn't like blow the hair all crazy. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's what's on my mind, on my mind. Exit 110 to hit the 210, cause baby I'm in your section. I know you like to work out, mama. Can I get a late night session? Can we do some late night stretching? Or can we do some late night sexing? Cause talking ain't enough and pictures ain't enough. I'm tired of the late night texts. Look, you been leading me on for a minute. Trying to catch a vibe, pick a song and I'm with it. Girlfriends calling your phone, you should miss it. Why you acting tough when you know you submissive? Calling your bluff on the roll, ain't switching. Ringing doorbell and the rose came with it. And if you really with it, yeah, rose came with it. Shit so sweet, pack of honey still dripping. Baby, what's on your mind? Really wanna see your face. Baby, come through and slide. Spend the night at my place. Asking what's on my mind, wondering how it tastes.
Okay guys, so I'm all done. It is 11:12. The place is 6 minutes from me, so I am in perfect timing. I can head to the nail shop, but this is how it came out. Like, it looks so good. That's how the back looks. Nice thick density. Okay, so I am all done and I am happy. And I also have 15 minutes left before I have to leave, so it's perfect timing. So I will have everything down below in the description box for you guys, including coupon codes and stuff like that. But before I go, I do want to tell you guys that I am going to start doing giveaways again because it just gets so overwhelming. And I'm starting today with my first one. So I'm going to give this exact wig away, except it's going to be brand new. It's going to be fresh out of the box. It's still going to have the lace attached. But it's going to be this sky unit, and I'll have all the details of how to apply to the giveaway down below, and I'll also have it pop up right here. You basically just have to be subscribed to my channel, and you have to leave a comment, and then Hairvivi is going to pick the comment that has the most likes, and that person is going to get the wig. That's not how the rules are going to be for every giveaway. This is just for this one because they are the ones that's giving the wig away. I might give this one away to you guys, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
Wanna press rewind, give me that double take. That's on my mind, 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 my mind.